So, one form of a nonfiction text is a recipe. So, today we're going to look at a recipe and see the different parts of that. You'll notice that our recipe today is for Rice Krispie Treat Pops. There are some key points in a recipe when you look at them. One of the things is the servings that you're going to notice. The servings is a very important thing for several things, for several reasons. One of them is so that you make sure that you have enough. Another one is to make sure that you have enough ingredients. And then you also have to think about the health part of it and make sure that you are eating like the correct number of servings. The other parts are the ingredients. The ingredients tell us what we're going to need in order to make the Rice Krispie Pops or whatever it is that you're making. So this way you can be prepared, have everything out, have everything ready. So here are our ingredients for the Rice Krispie Treat Pops. The next thing that is super important are the instructions. Sometimes they're called the directions. The directions or instructions are given to us so that we can follow step by step what we need to do. This is super important to follow in order, or sometimes we call that sequenced, so that we can make sure that we don't miss something. Or if we do something out of order, it could mess up our end product. So you'll notice in all recipes that it gives you those step-by-step instructions on what to do.